Okay, I wanted to record what was going on in my room right now because this is just cool. So right now the laser printer is running a burn for a student design. Over here the 3D printer is running a student design right now. Up on the TVs there are student animations playing of all of the things that they've done so far in learning Blender. And then right now my CAD class is working on their designs while all the photography equipment is out for my photography class. So this is what happens in my room on an average Thursday. And I just thought it was neat to show everybody what can happen. They don't like that I'm recording, so they're very quiet.